ladies, let's talk about the clay masks that we offer. We have a couple different ones that we offer, but these are clay unearthed from the Atlas Mountains mineral rich face mask, and it exfoliates, deep cleans, and nourishes your skin. So one thing that can be a little bit confusing is that they come in a powder form. They also come with a little wooden utensil. I already have my 2 teaspoons of warm water down here. So you're gonna mix the mask into the water, and it's gonna create kind of just like a liquid. And then once you get the consistency down, you're going to start applying to your face. So let me mix this in here. Let's start the application process. So it can be a little gritty, and the texture, you're gonna be like, what is this? So you basically take the spatula with your mask and you start applying it. And like I said, it's very liquidy at first, but that's gonna dry onto your skin and create a beautiful mask. So you get it out, let's apply it to the skin. We're gonna do all over, and I'll be right back after the application. All right, I've got the mask applied evenly all over my skin. Now I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and get hard, and then I'll rinse with warm water. All right, ladies, I've left the mask on for about 7 minutes. It's nice and dry. I'm gonna go rinse off with warm water, and my face is gonna be squeaky clean. All right, I rinsed everything off very easily with warm water, and I'm left with this most silky, smooth skin and a clean, fresh face. Happy cleansing and masking.